new rogue object has just been spotted drifting silently between Earth and the interstellar Comet 3I/Atlas. It's not part of any known orbit. It's not behaving like a typical comet. And it's not following the rules of our solar system. This thing appeared out of nowhere, no tail, no clear origin, and no explanation. Some astronomers think it's a fragment from 3I/Atlas. Others wonder if it's something far more unusual. A dormant interstellar body? A probe? Or a completely new class of object? Let's break it down. The object was first flagged by deep sky surveys scanning the region between Earth and 3I/Atlas's outbound path. At first, it looked like a faint point of light, barely brighter than background stars. But its motion was off. It wasn't orbiting the sun like a comet. It wasn't falling toward Earth like an asteroid. It was drifting slowly, in a path that seemed to thread the space between us and the interstellar visitor. That alone raised eyebrows. Then came the weird part. No tail, no outgassing, no clear signs of activity. Just a cold, quiet traveler. Spectral scans were rushed. Some showed hints of a coma. Maybe dust, maybe gas, but nothing definitive. No water vapor, no carbon dioxide, no clear volatile signature. That's strange, because if it were a comet, we'd expect it to react to sunlight. Instead, it stayed dark. Its brightness fluctuated slightly, but not in ways that matched rotation or solar heating. It was as if the object was tumbling, or maybe shedding small fragments. But again, no clear jets, no eruptions, no signs of typical comet behavior. So what could it be? One theory is that it's a fragment from 3I/Atlas itself, maybe a piece that broke off during one of its recent plasma eruptions. That would explain the proximity and the lack of activity. But the orbital data doesn't quite match. The fragment would need to have been ejected at just the right angle and speed to end up between Earth and Atlas. Possible, but unlikely. Another theory is that it's a dormant interstellar object, like Atlas, but older, colder, and less reactive. That would make it a rare find. A silent interstellar body passing through our system without flaring up. A cosmic ghost. And then there's the fringe idea. What if it's not natural? What if it's a probe, something engineered, something sent? The lack of outgassing, the unusual motion, the silence. It's enough to raise questions. Now, to be clear, there's no evidence of artificial origin. No signals, no structure, no propulsion, but the mystery remains. And in science, mystery is where discovery begins. Right now, observatories around the world are tracking the object. Infrared telescopes are scanning for heat signatures. Radio arrays are listening for emissions. And orbital models are being refined to predict its path. It's expected to pass closest to Earth in the coming days, close enough for high-resolution imaging. If it's rotating, we might catch surface features. If it's shedding material, we might see microjets. And if it's truly dormant, we'll learn what interstellar silence looks like. This discovery matters, because every rogue object we find expands our understanding of what's out there. 3I/Atlas showed us that interstellar visitors can erupt with jets of plasma. This new object shows us that some might pass quietly, without a trace. Together, they paint a picture of cosmic diversity, of materials, behaviors, and histories that stretch far beyond our solar system. And if this object turns out to be something entirely new, it could reshape how we classify interstellar bodies forever. So stay tuned. The next few nights could reveal everything or nothing. But either way, we're watching, because space doesn't just surprise us. Challenges us. And this rogue object is the latest challenge, one we're ready to meet.